Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 for sale. This comes in a black exterior, got a black interior. Do a little vehicle walk-around tour here, show you some of the features. And then if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So, door controls, you can see the power memory seats here, driver's seat, steering wheel, hopping inside, we do have a push button ignition, mileage just over 55,000. And here we have our display showing radio and backup camera. And navigating through the menu system, you've got your dial here. So you just rotate that and then push down to make a selection. Now below your display, we've got a CD player, some quick access buttons here to access radio, navigation, and whatnot. You've also got your climate controls here, heated seats, both driver and passenger. You got temperature controls and whatnot down here. So we've got an ashtray and cigarette lighter or power adapter, cup holders, and our shifter. And rear seats here next. And quick peek back up front. And then coming around to the back, we have our GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. So once again, this is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC in a black exterior with a black interior. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.